All right, so pay close attention because I have a huge announcement. Whatever you're doing this weekend, you need to change your plans. You need to make it to Knoxville, Tennessee to Bootlegger Harley Davidson to Traveling Tall's Run for the Hills 2. I'm going to be there from Volunteer Audio. Several other YouTubers are going to be there along with Traveling Tall, and we're going to be doing a huge giveaway. So hang out as I go over what we're giving away at the show. All right, so a lot of you all met us or found our channel through Traveling Tall. We did a system on his Harley Street Glide, and it turned out great, and he did several walkaway videos using all Hertz equipment, the equipment that I have here behind me. So on his bike, we have the HMP 4D 600-watt amp and the SX165 and SX690 Neo speakers. We did an original video where we just did the front. Later, we added the rear, and over a year later, it still sounds amazing. And this weekend at Traveling Tall's Ride for the Hills 2 at Bootlegger Harley Davidson, Volunteer Audio is going to be set up. We're going to be demoing Tall's bike and let you hear that system in person. Believe me, it sounds far better in person than it does through a YouTube video. And I'm excited to show it to you. But here's the big announcement. We're going to be giving away that entire system. We're going to be giving away that entire system. Free installation, and you're going to get to meet Traveling Tall. You're going to get to meet us. We're going to film this in a day, and we're going to put it up on our channels. It's going to be awesome, and it's going to cost you nothing. The only requirement we have is you got to be a subscriber to Volunteer Audio, and you got to be a subscriber to Traveling Tall on YouTube. We'll make it real easy. Right there, you can scan a QR code, hit subscribe, you're entered to win it. Now, I thought about you. If you don't have a brand new bike, if you don't have a GTS radio and you need a radio too, I got an even bigger announcement. So the system on Traveling Tall's bike is about a $2,700 system, and we're already giving that away. But if you've got a police bike, an electric glide standard, maybe you got a Sony 7000 or a GT radio, or even if you got a GTS radio and you say, I don't use the CB, I don't use the intercom system, I want the better radio. We're going to throw in even more. We're going to include the SoundStream Reserve HD-HU14 radio and its thumb control module. That's another $900 value, so we're talking $3,600 worth of product, free to you. All you have to do is come out and have a great day with us. So come to Bootlegger Harley Davidson Saturday. That's this coming Saturday. We'll put the dates up on the screen so you'll be sure to know when to be there. We're going to get together about 9 o'clock. They're going to have like a pancake breakfast. We're going to have vendors set up showing the things that Tall's talked about and had on his bike. But at 12 o'clock, boots up, kickstands up, you're going to be on your bike, and you're going to head to the Foothills Parkway in the Great Smoky Mountains for a wonderful day and a beautiful ride. Weather's going to be perfect. Please come out and see us. Even if you don't win, come listen to it. If you want to book an appointment with us later, we can talk about that, book that on site. If you think you can put it in one of our plug-and-play kits, we'd be happy to either sell you one there or ship one to your house. I know not everybody can throw it in their side bag for the ride, but I'd love to see you this weekend. Please come out and meet us. I'm looking forward to it. Like I said, again, all you got to do is be a subscriber of Volunteer Audio, a subscriber of Traveling Tall, and you can be entered to win $3,600 worth of audio for your Harley. But I'm excited about it. I think it's going to be wonderful. We're going to have a lot of our crew there, so you get to meet the rest of our team in person. You get to meet Traveling Tall, and God's just got us a beautiful day lined up and a beautiful ride. So thank you for watching. Thank you, as always, for subscribing, sharing with your friends. Tell everybody about this. I want to see you there. I want to give one of you this amazing system. And God bless, and thank you again.